Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. You guys, this has got to be one of the funniest and most infuriating things I have ever reviewed on my channel or reviewed at all. Y'all will see what I'm talking about? Y'all, I can't. Good morning, everybody. I have had so many people ask me if I have tried these, if I have done the review on these over on Instagram. So this product is being sold for $170 for the complete bundle, or you can get a pack of I think it's 12 or 16 for $70. Yeah, quite a bit of money for this. And your girl was thinking, this would be a great thing to review because for those that have been with me for a while, I'm almost completely blind in my right eye, and I'm always looking for fast, effective ways to get our faces on and, look beautiful and get going for the day. So I thought, well, I'm going to try these from Lucy Lee Cosmetics. You guys, so many people have asked me to do this, and yeah, wow. Okay, so here's what your box looks like when you open it up. It says, more than a wig, Lucy Lee, respect thee more. Respect. After doing this, I have no respect for Lucy Lee Cosmetics. Zero. Good laugh out of it, though. Good laugh. Laughter is the best medicine, so yeah, I'll give you that. Are you guys ready for this? So, about a month ago, you all know, I went and got lash extensions put in. Put the pictures up there and there and there. Yes, I loved my lash extensions. So I was thinking, this would actually be fabulous in between refills or not being able to have them, what I'm getting ready to show you. Because I like the look of just having the lashes, a little bit of liner, and popping on some lipstick, and you're out the door. You're good to go. Okay, you guys, I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you. I really, really am. So here's how they came. You're not supposed to have to trim these down or anything. It's supposed to be a one-size-fit-all. I'm going to show you some pictures of what they're supposed to look like now. And then we're just going to put... Yeah, we're going to go and put them on, and I'll put my favorite colored ones on. Yeah, your girls tried it already. It was out... Oh, my... Y'all, wow. Yeah, wow. Okay, so you have your right eye ones and your left eye ones. As you can see, straight on the paper. Plastic, whatever you want to call it. Got our tweezers out. My eyes are clean. I have no makeup on them whatsoever. Now, you are supposed to be able to use these with your makeup on. And I did try that. And no, you guys, they didn't stick. They didn't stick. I couldn't even get them to stay on long enough to get a gosh darn picture of it. Which I wish I could have, because it looks so freaking absurd. I did get a picture of trying them on without the makeup. I'll go ahead and put it up there real quick. All right, now we're going to do this together. Well, hello, Bear. Okay, guys. I can't believe I'm putting these back on camera. This is ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to do the right eye first, of course. So I can actually see what the crap I'm doing. So here's what they look like fresh off. That one don't have hardly any sticky at all on it. Here's what they look like. Yeah. So let's just do it again. Y'all, this just $70 freaking dollars is the lowest price for these right now. Lay it down. Get it on the corner of your eye. Hold it on. Put your wing down. See, it doesn't even want to adhere to the inside of my eye. We're just going to Just hold it there. Let the stickiness work for a minute or two. It ain't happening. That one said, no, ma'am. Okay, it's already coming up. It's all wrinkly. I'm going to go ahead and try to get the left eye on. I can't believe that. Oh my God. Guys. Okay, here's our left eye. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, it's not what to stay on or whatsoever. Okay. Again, nice clean skin on the eye. No makeup, no primer, no lotion, no nothing. Let's see if we can get this one to stick. Okay, it is sticking a little bit better than the right one did. Here she is. Yeah, again, inner corner not staying down. Eyelashes go straight up or straight down. You guys, I am, wow. Lucy Lee, wow. Wow, you guys, look. They're not going to stay. The corners won't even stay down. Guys, this has got to be one of the most absurd things I've ever seen in my whole life. I had so much hope for these working after watching, you know, the preview videos on their site. Wow. Wow. Y'all, save your money. These little stickers for eyeliners like this do not work. They don't work, you guys. I mean, look. Now, maybe if you have bigger eyes, you could put some glue down on there. Some regular eyelash glue, and the stickers might adhere better. But with these lashes attached, like I said, they're straight out or they're straight down. Guys. Save your money. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed.